More than 4.5 million people have now signed a change.org petition to grant Rogel Aguilera-Mederos clemency. He's the semi-truck driver who was sentenced to 110 years in prison for the crash that killed 4 people, injured several others when his brakes failed on I-70. 9 News reporter Katie Eastman explains the request that the governor received yesterday and another request that was filed last week.
Yeah, Tom, Governor Polis said he received an application for clemency from Aguilera-Mederos from his attorney. In Spanish and translated by our newsroom, he said when they have a decision, they'll announce it. Today, we also learned the same office that filed the charges against Aguilera-Mederos has requested the court reconsider his sentence. Jefferson County District Attorney Alexis King filed the motion on Friday, citing unusual and extenuating circumstances. King was not the DA when these charges were initially filed, but she defended them in an email last week when she said the facts and consequences of Mr. Aguilera-Mederos' decisions that day were extraordinary enough to support pursuing first-degree assault charges. She added that ethically, they cannot pick and choose between victims. 9 News legal expert Scott Robinson expected the defense to file a motion to reconsider this sentence, but not the prosecution, especially not this soon.
But this is absolutely unheard of, but it's an extremely unusual case. 4 million people plus have signed a petition, and it's really put quite the focus on Colorado's mandatory sentencing for violent crimes statute.
And during the sentencing hearing last Monday, even District Judge Bruce Jones said if he had a choice, the 110 years would not be his sentence. But he said Colorado law does not give him that flexibility. DA King's office says they will not be commenting until this case is resolved.
Yeah, there's so much pressure right now. You talk about that flexibility, Katie. It'll be interesting to see how much that public pressure can bring or how much there can be movement.
Yeah, it really will.
All right. Thanks, Katie.